Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'll be recreating this look. So let's get started. So very first, I'm using a facial oil and a primer for priming my skin. Now I'll be using a Forever 52 eye primer on my eyelids and begin with my eye makeup. First, I'm taking this light brown shadow and adding into my crease. Blend it nicely. Now I'll be adding these two green shadows on the eyelids. You can add more color to it. Now I'll be adding a light green shimmery shadow on middle of my lids. Here I'm using a baby oil for removing the extra product. Here I'm adding an orange shadow under the waterline. After that I've added a white kajal and eyeliner to my eyes. Now I'm adding mascara to my eyes. Now I'm starting with the foundation. Blend it nicely. Here I'm doing contouring to my face for giving proper structure and highlighting T-zone of my face. Here I'm using a loose powder for setting up the base. Here I'm using a makeup fixer for setting up my makeup. After that I'm using a highlighter on my cheekbones, nose, on cupids, chin and my forehead. Now I'm switching to my lips. Here I'm using a Nykaa lip liner in the shade Chocolate Boy. And there you go. Thank you guys for watching my video. I hope you guys like it and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel.